Nope.
Easy enough to find. And clicked on the
What are you doing?
tab, and then there's options. Yeah, you can go the PayPal route. You can go with Patreon. You can both do whatever you want.
And he doesn't yield to the cars coming from the right or the left.
Thank you so much. I had a soft spot for Adolf Hitler and wrote an pardonably indulgent review of Mein Kampf. Humanism has many crimes for which to apologize. But it can apologize for them, and also correct them in its own terms, and without having to shake or challenge the basis of
Can you go any slower?
System of belief. Totalitarian systems, whatever outward form they would not say.
You just turned into the same parking lot you pulled out from.
In-home magisterial examination of the totalitarian phenomenon.
That was weird. Left turn regret up there. Nope. Don't turn lefts from this. Another one of those people that don't go in the center turn lane for some reason. Second one today. Really? Come on, move over. Get on camera. Good job. You're in the video. Yay!
I'm going to write as much as I can, bad stuff, keep doing bad stuff until that one time I'll get that good idea eventually. I'll get that one eventually.
Another one with no headlights on.
Well, so anytime you make that kind of decision on any purchase now, I guess it's a blessing and a curse to be so woke when it comes to financing. Because I know now,
really,
if you're gonna spend $1,000 on something,
you started off being I don't know.
That $1,000 might be $50.
I kind of casually threw out there Wikipedia and Google Scholar, and I recognize that these are not tools for like sophisticated data.
We had our problems, but I'm on your side. Girl, I need, let me. You can run. Whoa, what the fuck?
Son. Thanks for the time. Well said.
Red light run.
That was actually great.
Wow. Nissan drivers.
So it definitely feels a lot different this year. Just
really?
Knowing that there's a disconnection there and knowing that there are so many other people too that are experiencing that right now.
Red light run. Two of them.
He was the best.
I know.
Did you ever meet Keenan Ivory Wayne's, Bill? No. I want to say I had a meeting with him one time, and they were late, and I was tired.
What the hell's this guy doing?
Walking out, and right as he walked out,
merging all the way to the left, the right blinker on.
And then they
merging back to the right.
And I never went back again. And I always thought,
checking his watch.
Man, that was my moment.
One especially tasteful sign waved in the faces of the mourners is, thank God for
last second move over.
The roadside bombs played.
That may have been red light. Wait, is that guy? Yeah. That Enterprise truck's in a straight lane. What? Did he go straight anyway? What the hell's that guy doing?
How far ahead were you thinking? You just like in a zone? Like a dumb person.
Exit dive.
Down left.
A dream car was always a car that I knew would get me from A to B, right? Without having to call a tow truck or anything. And that's, I drive a 16 Camry. She has a 16 Odyssey right now. We know when we start the car up, we will get to our destination.
It's green. Hello.
We will get to our destination. So
green.
That's a dream car.
Hello.
Yeah. Who's doing that? So y'all still operate with that mindset. Absolutely. And that's what I love, man, because that mind.
You gotta yield, man. Of course.
Kind of powder blue. So I'm gonna take
red light run.
Getting into soccer, so you know what? Get checked, and we have a bunch of shit this week that is kind of holiday important shit, family shit, and if Stacy got it, and that
red
means
light run.
we'd all have to be checked, and luckily Stacy do.
We just follow whatever tradition is happening and hope for the best.
No turn on red.
So I agree.
Come on. And he's sitting at green over there. Yeah, get your face out of the phone. No turn on red. Hello? Red light run, but I think that FedEx truck got in the way.
You stopped and you dropped, so I guess it's my job to make you roll by defeating you here.
Right.
What are you doing?
I'd say that's a right.
What are you doing?
I'd say that's a good call to make on your part. So excellent. With that out of the way, then we shall begin the next round of trivia. We have
Block out the Confederate flag on the money. That guy with the buffalo head would look pretty good, you know.
No
Right
turn on
there.
red.
To be honest, I can't even remember, but I'm.
Is that the one I got you from?
No turn on red.
From my
Where the needles are. Guy has no headlights on. Every line, every page in the book. You cannot turn red. Right on red.
Like, he didn't want to leave the field. He walked around with his hand out, and he went around the whole stadium, like, and stood
nice
there.
cutoff.
Kids ran. I was just like, dude. Oh, it's even better. As I said that, I was like,
and runs right through the stop sign.
It's a 51% chance he's going to play.
He didn't stop.
and everybody's telling me, Paul,
Yeah, pretend I'm not here. Please.
What in the fuck are we doing, by the way? With all of this crap, I just don't understand any of it.
Went right through the stop. That's not a parking spot. It's green. Come on. You can do it.
Pounds or ounces or inches or miles, you know. And I know we like those cool hard numbers. So
You rolled right through the stop.
there's a lot to be.
Really? Toyo turd? Hey, you don't even know what lane you want. And a red light run. You didn't stop. Let me guess, you're gonna exit? Of course. Plenty of room behind me. Red. Yep. Hyundai. Nice cut off. Exit dive. Come on. Oh, what an asshole. Another rear camera.
Exploded, not literally. A whole bunch of pipes burst and flooded the whole lab and put off all the experiments. So it's been a crazy week.
What?
Yeah, you were telling us a little bit about that.
There was like 4 red light runners in a row.
And I'm like, look, this is not okay, you know, X, Y, and Z, whatever, all the stuff that was going on. And talked about like the text
You
message
never
that
stopped.
my father-in-law sent, the things that they were saying to him about his parenting and him being like a father and stuff like that.
So after his wife went and hit the first
No, you didn't
guy,
stop
he fell
again.
down. He's like, yeah, and he ran and kicked the guy on the
He
ground.
was fairly tall, about 6'1", but he was carrying nearly 240 pounds. He favored cowboy boots with pointed toes, wide leather garrison belts that he was constantly hitching up because his belly was considerably larger than his butt, and flowered shirts that billowed on him like staysails. Franny didn't care how much he whacked off, how much weight he carried, or if he was imitating Wright Morris this week or Hubert Selby Jr. But looking at him, she always felt uncomfortable and a little disgusted.
Come on, get out of the
as
left
if she
lane.
sensed by low
Holy shit, I forgot to sing the song. No, trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here. And it's for real because it's south of Syracuse. No, trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.